This is a solution offered at Fairfax County by Virginia's General Assembly to obtain desperately needed public facility funding that does not rely on Fairfax County homeowners and taxpayers. This is the state's answer to years of requests that the school board and the Board of Supervisors have asked for. This is an opportunity to ask the public if they want to invest in our public school facilities. This is not a new idea to our public. Residents already vote regularly on financial facilities investments. This is the public schools bond, which sustains a high passing rate at 70% of voter approval. Our residents have already shown that they agree with investing in facilities that host children's education, adults' employment, community recreation, and civic engagement that are safe, modern, and accessible. This is what residents expect. This is relief from the relentless use of homeowner tax to fill the gap from the state, to fund our public school facilities that benefit all Fairfax residents, whether they have children in schools or not. The Board of Supervisors has been asking Richmond for solutions, money, to lessen the burden on Fairfax taxpayers. This is a solution. This is an opportunity for Fairfax County to get the money.